Hello girls, in this video we will see chapter 4 Microsoft Word 2016. In the previous video we have seen the basic things of the MS Word, how to do the formatting. Now the additional features are given, that is the Format Painter. Format Painter is the tool is used to copy the format of the content only. When we use the copy paste, we have seen that it creates duplicate of the content, but the format painter is used to copy only the formatting. That means the color, style, shape, the color, style, size, that is called the formatting. That is called Format Painter option. Next is the finding the text. Finding the text, that means we use a particular word many times in a document. Using this feature, if you want to find the particular word, you can use the find option from the document. It specifies the option that you want to search from the paragraph, you want to search from the document, you want to search in a single page, all the options. So find feature is used to find the particular word from the document. Find option you will get in the home tab, the rightmost side, the find option is given, and the shortcut key is Ctrl+F. When you select the find, it gives you option find what. We write the particular word in that box, and clicking on the find all will highlight all the selected word in the document. Next, replacing the text. Using this feature, we can find the particular word in a document from the old one to the new one. That is called the replace feature. Replace is used to find the particular word from the document and replace with the another word. The shortcut key for replace is Ctrl+H. When we use replace option, it gives you the two dialog box, find what and replace with. Find what, where you have to write the text to be searched, and replace with, type the replace with word. Suppose you take an example. If you have used this in your document and you have to make it this, then when you will use one by one, when you will change one by one, that is the time taking process. But using this option, you can change all the words in a document all together. That is called replace the text. It is called replace the text. Now we will see header and footer. That is called page formatting. That is called page formatting. Header and footer is used to place important information on the top and at the bottom of every pages respectively. In book you can see every page is containing the same message. At the bottom every page is containing the same message. This is called the footer. And same thing is the header. If you add the message with the header section, when you insert a new page, that will be automatically added to your document. We can add title, chapter heading, date, author's name, etc. in this section.